Attention! This is Flight SA-18 bound for Manila. In command of these aircraft is Captain Adrian Cruz, assisted by First Officer Liza Tan. And this is Delia, together with Diane, Jill, Joanna, and Kirby, your cabin crew. Our flight time today is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, with an expected arrival in Manila at 12:15 p.m. Current weather conditions in Manila are partly cloudy with light breeze. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Adrian Cruz sa tulong ni unang opisyal Liza Tan. At ako po si Delia, kasama sina Diane, Jill, Joanna, at Kirby ang inyong cabin crew. Tayo po ay lilipad na kumulang 1 oras at 30 minuto. At ang inaasahan nating paglapag sa Maynila ay bandang 12:15 ng hapon. Sa kasalukuyan, ang lagay ng panahon sa Maynila ay bahagyang maulap na may banayad na hangin. During this flight, you will find lavatories located in front and in the rear of the cabin. Complimentary refreshments will be served shortly after the takeoff, and our cabin crews will be available throughout this journey to assist you. At this moment, please direct your attention to our cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Every seat has a seatbelt for your safety. To fasten, please insert the metal tip into the buckle until you hear a click. Pull the strap to tighten. To unfasten, lift the buckle cover and pull the belt free. We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened even when the sign is up in case of an unexpected turbulence. Your life vest is stored under your seat. If needed, take it out and remove any sharp objects from your body. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and clip it securely. Pull the strap to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull the red tabs to inflate the vest. If the vest doesn't inflate fully, blow into the red tube to add air. To release air, press the valve. The vest has a small light that will illuminate immediately once it touches the water. Please remember, do not inflate your vest while inside the plane. Taking a life vest without permission is punishable by law. If cabin pressure suddenly changes, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above you. Pull one mask firmly towards you. Place it over your nose and in your mouth and secure it with an elastic band. Breathe normally. Put on your mask first before helping children or those seated near you. In case of emergency, please follow the floor lights that will guide you to the nearest exit. The closest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door has a slide ramp for evacuation. Leave all your belongings behind and quickly move to the usable exit. Safety on board instructions are printed near your pocket seat. For additional details, please check your passenger safety card located near your pocket seat. On behalf of Captain Adrian Cruz, First Officer Liza Tan, and your entire Stellar Airways crew, thank you for flying with us.